What should I do if the reset button on my Samsung refrigerator doesn't work?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to discuss an issue that some Samsung refrigerator owners may encounter, a non-responsive reset button. We'll go through a series of steps you can take to identify and potentially fix the problem. Let's dive right in.
Understanding the problem.
The first thing we need to understand is why the reset button on your Samsung refrigerator might not be working. In some cases, it may be an electrical issue, while in others, it might be due to the temperature settings or sensors malfunctioning.
Checking the power supply.
Firstly, let's ensure that your fridge is properly plugged in and is receiving electricity. Unplug the refrigerator, wait for a couple of minutes, and then plug it back in. This can help resolve minor glitches. If this doesn't work, you might need to check your home's electrical system or consider the possibility that the power cord itself is damaged.
Assessing temperature settings.
Sometimes, the reset button might not work if the temperature settings are incorrect. Therefore, we suggest checking your refrigerator's temperature settings. Refer to your user manual to confirm the ideal temperature settings for your specific Samsung model. Make sure the refrigerator is set to these ideal temperatures and then try to use the reset button again.
Resetting manually.
If the above steps don't work, there's a possibility you can manually reset your refrigerator. This process varies from model to model, so it's best to check your user manual. Generally, though, this involves holding down certain button combinations on the fridge's control panel for a set amount of time.
Contacting customer support.
Finally, if none of the above solutions work, it's time to reach out to Samsung's customer service. They have professional technicians who can assist you further in diagnosing and resolving the issue. Keep in mind, if your refrigerator is still under warranty, any required repairs might be covered. We hope this video has been helpful for troubleshooting the reset button on your Samsung refrigerator. Remember, sometimes it's better to ask for professional help to avoid any accidental damage. So don't hesitate to contact customer support if needed. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.